This is the 2020 17-month planner from Rifle Paper Company. I just bought it on sale, and I'm really excited to compare it to the other planners I've had in the past. I've mainly bought planners from Michaels, and they're all from their Happy Planner collection. This medium size one, I really love it. It was a good size for me, but it does fall apart a little bit. And I had a bigger one in 2017 where I like to save the quotes and the patterns once I was done with it so I could use it for other crafts. This current planner from 2018, I use it now to save business cards. My 2019 one is also really great. It's a little small for me, so I had a hard time fitting in notes, but I did like that I could carry it around. I love the flower pattern, which I wanted to continue with the Rifle Paper Planner. My main problem with this one is when I bought it, I didn't realize it was for mothers, so I had a lot of mother quotes that were not very useful for me, but it's still adorable with the flower pattern. Let's take a look at the planner that I bought from Rifle Paper. Look how beautiful this cover is. I really love how it opens up. You can see the classic Rifle Paper flowers, and you have a great place for your name. Let's take a look on the inside. In the first 2 pages you can see that you can plan your year for 2020 and 2021. You have important dates for the whole year, all of the holidays, which is a great reference because I forget the holidays all the time. And then we're able to see each individual month, and we can put some important dates for ourselves there that weren't included in the holiday dates. You can also start by writing some notes that are important to you. This is December right now. I'm probably going to use the unused months from August 2019 until now to write some extra notes. Moving on to the month by month section. It's really nice that there's a month by month section so you can broadly plan out your time. Each individual month you can plan out your weeks. There's a lot of room to write in compared to past planners I've owned. At the end, there's a great place for contacts. You can put any clients, you can put friends, family in here. I usually am really precious with this space with other planners, but I hope this year I actually put it to good use. You also have these adorable stickers to use throughout the planner. I love stickers. In fact, I actually collect stickers. I have them all over my computer and use them on various notebooks, so I'm very excited to use these. So look how cute and pretty they are. At the very end, there's a cute little folder where you can store papers and notes that you just need to throw in there temporarily, and a place to measure on the fly. So thank you to planners of the past. I'm super excited to use this new planner. Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year!